What's up, guys? Welcome back. You saw the video. We did a little riding, a lot of smoking. I'm supposed to take it tomorrow to a friend's. I think got the piston out of the other one. I think we're gonna real quick try and pull the head and piston jug off this. Just take a gander and see if maybe this one's better. The rings are in better shape. This one might actually not smoke as bad. So we're gonna fast forward a little bit. Hopefully we'll get her pulled off. It's super simple. There's 4 bolts on the front of the head. Take the exhaust down, 4 bolts on the front, the side cam cover off, and the 3 cam bolts, and head should slide off. Then you get the jug off. Super easy. Let's get to it. So I can't tell if this was like this or not. No, it might just be loose. That ring was super loose coming off there. I mean, you see that gap there? That is super loose. I assume it's just letting a lot of compression by. So I think we're gonna try the other piston. It looks to have better rings on it. The top ring looks super loose. So thinking we're just gonna put this one in here and let it ride, but I want to clean off the top while we're here. I've got the wire brush here, so we'll just knock all the immediate gunk off. This end she looks super rough, but we're gonna try and see what happens. This one doesn't look terrible. We're gonna look at the other one though, guys, and see if maybe walking in circles here. Here's the other one. So this is the one that came off. This one looks terrible. This one doesn't look bad. Needs O-ring washer there. We'll find something to put there. Bolt here. I found a bolt with a built-in washer, and it fits right around the edge, so you can get a nice push. I'll set one of these C-clips in here now. So when we go to push in, that's already in. You just boom, and then you only have the one to do. So we'll put this. The goal is to get this in here. Oh, there's a bunch of dirt kicked up everywhere. It's fine. It'll run. These Honda knockoffs run forever. Even smoking like it was, if I'd have kept oil in it, it would have been good. I think we're gonna go line it up over here. I'll twist you back this way, guys. Fingers crossed, guys. I don't see any oil. I don't see any smoke. We're gonna hose it off, double check the oil, fill it again, and then attach the exhaust, slide it over in the thing a little bit, and we'll see if it leaks. Cross your fingers. it's better. It's not fixed. Pretty sure the casting on the here for the stator's done. It keeps just weeping out past that hole, and I know half of that casting is gone. But that's manageable way more than the other one. So we're tightening up a couple of bolts that are still leaking past, and then we'll let it run for a little bit and see. No bueno, guys. Pretty sure that block's done. We're gonna go look at the other block out in the back and see what that one looks like. And I'll let you know in a little bit.